What are some of the challenges you face today? Do you ever feel like you were meant for something more? 85% of people don't feel happy or fulfilled at their jobs. They dread waking up every single day. And when we're not happy or fulfilled, our confidence, our self-worth, our happiness, our health, and finances can suffer. So what if there was another way? What if things could be different? Our story is simple. We empower people. We build better lives. We give meaning and purpose. It's why so many see success. How would you feel if you had total control over every aspect of your life? You can do exactly that. There's 4 ways to cash flow. There's 4 ways that we can make money. 1% have the investor mindset. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. 4% are business owners, 35% work for themselves, 60% work for someone else. That may be you, it may not. But if you look at it, 95%, they make only 5% of this entire market. But 5%, listen to this, 5%, they make 95% of the entire market. So have you ever heard of the foreign exchange markets? I mean, guess how many zeros are in a trillion? Look at this, 12 zeros. Now imagine a $5.3 trillion per day market. I mean, that is longer than your cell phone with the area code included. Well, a market that's open even 24 hours, 5 days a week worldwide. A market where you can exchange in without owning any physical money. Welcome to Foreign Exchange, FRX. The foreign exchange is extremely powerful way for you to make money from this massive market doing trillions of dollars a day. Guess what? There's another market growing towards $1 trillion, setting the future stage for how everyone will handle money. It's becoming global forms of payment for everyday purchases everywhere, that you can also trade without owning any physical money. Welcome to digital currencies, DCX. A lot of you may have heard of Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum, and so forth. You have an opportunity to make money in those markets as well. Also with our company, with I Am Educated, this is Learning Simplified. This is where you can master the markets, knowing how to build real wealth and freedom at the same time. Learning from the Foreign Exchange Mastery Academy, what we believe is the best education on planet Earth. Also, HFX, High Frequency Mastery Academy. Also getting trained in Digital Currency Mastery Academy. This is where you're going to learn about all the different currencies in different ways that you can make money in these markets. Also, what's called Home-Based Business Mastery Academy for those who want to learn from home how they can make money and bring in that additional income that they're looking for. Also an opportunity for you guys to go live where you can access over 100 plus full-time educators who will also give you training in multiple languages or the language that you speak. This is where you can connect, you can collaborate, you can ask, you can learn, and in the end, you can succeed. Also, you can learn from the best live. If you like live sessions, this is on your own time. This is designed around your busy life and your schedule. You could also choose your weapon. This is basically a way where different strategies that we're going to teach you after you go through our Mastery Academies, where you can use the powerful tools that we will provide to you that will actually simplify your trading, especially if you've never done it before. Also, you can do what we call learn and earn on the go. This is where you can get easy to follow trade ideas for the market sent to your phone. So example, copy and paste. A trade idea comes to your phone. It pops up right through the app as a notification. And that way that you stay connected, you never miss an opportunity to make a profit. Now, the biggest question that we get is, how can you start? That's what I want to cover. We have what's called 2 and Free. This is where you can simply refer 2 active paying customers to the academies that we provide. This enables you to get access to a free subscription if you do so. We'll go over the details of how that works. Now you have a couple options how to get started. You have the Platinum Starter Pack, which is $225. It is a one-time fee, and then you get to choose your monthly. You have the Elite Starter Pack. That's $325. That gives you access to all of the products and services that I just showed to you. A lot of people start with the Platinum, but you can decide you can upgrade or downgrade at any time because you have access to different add-on products that if you want to try different products and services, you could do that. You could add them on, or you could actually eliminate them at any time. You also have the High Frequency Pack. You also have the Digital Currency Pack. So if you want to focus more on digital currencies, you could do that as well. Also, we give people the additional option that if they'd like to save money, they can actually buy more packs at a time. For example, let's say that I wanted the Elite package. That's a 3-month package, so 90 days, $825. You're going to save $50 on that. If I wanted to get the Elite 6-month pack, $1,600, you save $100 on that. The Elite 12-month pack, so I want to be in for an entire year, I'm completely committed, $31.50, you save $200 on that pack. These are known as the Prime Packs. This is a way for you to say, hey, look, I'm more committed, I'm going beyond 1 month, and I want to be able to save additional money at the same time, so you have the option to get the Prime Packs as well. Guys, here's a question. What will you become? You get to make that choice. You get to make that choice with this great company. This opportunity for you to start making additional income right from your phone, have an opportunity to receive a free subscription, and then also an opportunity that if you desire to start sharing this with other individuals to bless their lives as well. So folks, get back with a person who shared this video with you. Let them know how you'd like to get started, and we'll see you on the other side of success.